Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to convert the semantic design to the symbol and what is the requirement. So basically here I have designed the full ladder circuit. So this one is the full ladder. So if I need full ladder in a single circuit, then my circuit is like the taking lots of place. So that's why I have to reduce the circuit. So how to reduce the size of, because in the VLSI or digital our main focus is to reduce the circuit size, and so that's why we have to convert this thing. This is the semantic design. So you have to convert the semantic design to the symbol. So how to convert to the symbol? So before converting to the symbol, remember one thing: you have to change all the inputs and outputs name properly. So already I have changed everything. A B C is my input, sum carry is my output. Now I have to design, I have to convert this semantic to the symbol. So for that, first you have to design your circuit diagram, then after that you have to save your file. So for the click on savage. So after savage I need full adder. So FAA my file name. So I saved this. So this is my location. D drive digital is a folder. There I saved as FAA.scs. So .scs is known as the semantic or semantic design. So I have to convert. So first two things. First you have to change all the inputs outputs name. After that you have to save. After save you have to click on this option. This is known as the semantic to new symbol. You have to click this option. Otherwise you can find out this option in file, Sema to new symbol. This also possible. You have to click this one. Now my circuit look like this. You can increase the size or width and decrease also. It's possible. And here you can check. Sum is the top corner, carry is the down, C, E, B, A. So I need a sequence format. So here you can change left, right, whatever you want. So in the place of C, I mentioned 3. A is known as the 1. So I can change all those things. Then refresh. If you click on the refresh, everything will be changed. A, B, C, something. Then after that, here you check your location. So what is my location? Whatever mentioned here now. So D colon digital, I have mentioned everything here also. So basically it will fetch by default. If you are not able to fetch, the system is not able to fetch this location, so manually you have to write this thing, D colon whatever your location. But remember in one thing, this should be saved in a D drive. So it will be good for you, because if you are saved in a D drive, then you have to type in the minimum location. Minimum the location size you can get the reduce location size. If you are saved in C drive, then you have to give all the location. Okay, so remember this thing. Then after that you have to simply click on OK. So after click on OK, so we have to check if my circuit is designed or not. So same thing, I have to next I have to click on insert button. So insert is used for to insert any symbol. So now I want a symbol, because already this file is known as the symbol. So whatever here I have designed, this one is known as the semantic, this one is the symbol. So symbol, what I have given name FAA. So FAA open. So now you can check, this is my full ladder circuit. So just you imagine whatever circuit, if I need a full ladder, if I am using the semantic, then we have to put all these types of whatever the circuit design, we have to import in the other connections, other where the flip like my full ladder required. But if I convert my semantic to symbol, then what happened? No, it will be reduced in the size. If I need, I can use maximum numbers of. So that's the thing. So you can, if you want to check, you can also, it's possible, you can check if it's working properly or no. So I'll connect all those things. Then for the sum and carry to output required. Okay, now you can check. Okay, so whatever value you are giving, it will showing. So that's the use of symbol, because every time you cannot use semantic. So anyhow, whatever circuit you are designing, you have to convert the semantic to the symbol file. So then whenever you want to design a big circuit, that time you can use simply, you can use the semantic. So thank you for the session.